Here's a quick review of what we did in math earlier this week. We looked at tables where we knew the time, hours 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we tried finding the distance for different rates. In the first example, the rate was 50 miles per hour, and you can see we went eventually in 4 hours 200 miles because 4 times 50 is 200. If we drove faster, say 55 miles per hour, that's a faster rate, we would go even further. 55 times 4 is 220 miles. And then we found the distances if you were going even faster, 60 miles per hour. So in 1 hour you'd go 60 miles. In 2 hours you'd go 120 miles. 3 hours, 180, and finally 4 hours, 240. We also described these in equation form. So if you were going 50 miles per hour, your equation could be distance equals 50t. 50 is your rate, so distance equals RT, distance equals 50t. And the second example would be D equals 55t, and the third example, D equals 60t. The coefficient in each case represents the rate. Today you're going to use D equals RT to do some calculations. Let's say our rate is 20 miles per hour. And let's say we travel for 3 hours. Here's how you can solve that. Start by writing distance equals RT, rate times time. Distance equals, well, our rate in this case is 20, and our time in this case is 3. So we multiply 20 times 3 and get 60. So our distance is 60 miles. You may also do it where you know the distance and you know the rate, but you don't know the time. So let's try another one. Let's change colors, and let's say we don't know time this time. We're still going to travel at 20 miles per hour, but now we want to cover 100 miles. So again, let's start with D equals RT, distance equals rate times time. In this case, our distance is 100 miles. So 100 equals, well, our rate is 20 miles per hour, and t is our unknown. If you remember when we solved equations, we want to get the variable by itself. Here's our variable. To get t by itself, we would divide both sides of the equation by 20. These 20s cancel out, so we have t over here, and 100 divided by 20 is 5. So the answer here is t equals 5, or 5 hours. After you finish watching this, please try the worksheet and check the answers on the board. See you later.